Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exams Point Notes. Today we will cover 25 most important PYQs of chapter The Living World. So, let's start the chapter. The very first question of this chapter is, which one of the following aspect is an exclusive characteristic of living things? It is a question of 2011. Let's see the options. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. B. Increase in the mass by accumulation of material both on the surface as well as internally. C. Isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro. D. Increase in mass from inside only. The answer of this question is option number A, because the most obvious and technically complicated feature of all living organism is ability to sense their surrounding. Hence option number A, perception of events happening in the environment and their memory, is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. Question number 2. A living organism can be unexpectedly differentiated from a non-living things on the basis of its ability for. The options are A. Reproduction, B. Growth and movement, C. Responsiveness to touch, and D. Interaction with environment and progressive evolution. In this question, it is asked which of on which basis the living organism and non-living organisms can be differentiated. Here the answer will be option number C, because the most complicated feature of all living organism is the ability to sense the surrounding. Hence, responsiveness to touch is the correct answer. Question number third. Biological organization begins at A. Cellular level, B. Atomic level, C. Organismic level, D. Submicroscopic molecular level. The answer of this question is option number D, submicroscopic molecular level. Now, let's see the next question. Question number 4. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carlos. Here an- the options are Mangifera indica, Carlos Linnaeus, Mangifera indica Linnaeus. Option number C, Mangifera indica. Here the answer is option number B, Mangifera indica Linnaeus. Next question. Question number 5. Study the four statements A to D given below and select the two correct one of them. Here four options are given. We have to answer two of them. Which one of them are correct? Option number A. Definition of biological species were given by Ernst Mayr. B. Photoperiod does not affect reproduction in plants. C. Binomial nomenclature system was given by R.H. Whittaker. D. In unicellular organism, reproduction is synonymous with growth. The answer of this question is option number A and option number D. The options are definition of biological species was given by Ernst Mayr, and option number D, in unicellular organism reproduction is synonymous with growth. Next question. Question number 6. Biodiversity of a geographical region represents A. Genetic diversity present in the dominant species of the region. B. Species endemic to the region. C. Endangered species found in the region. D. The diversity of the organism living in the region. The answer of this question is option number D. The diversity in the organism living in the region. Question number 7. ICBN is A. International Code for Biological Naming. B. International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. C. International Class for Biological Nomenclature. D. International Classification for Biological Nomenclature. The answer of this question is option number B. International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Now question number 8. Biosystematics aims at A. Classification based on broad morphological characters. B. Delimiting taxa and their relationships. C. Classification based on evolutionary history and phylogeny. D. Identification based on cytological characteristics. Answer of this question is option number C. Classification based on evolutionary history and phylogeny. Question number 9. Linnaeus is credited with A. Biological nomenclature. B. Theory of biogenesis. C. Discovery of microscope. D. Discovery of blood circulation. The answer of this question is option number A. Biological nomenclature. Question number 10. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called A. Mononomial. B. Vernacular. C. Binomial. And D. Polynomial. The answer of this question is option number C. Binomial. Question number 11. The term new systematics was introduced by A. Linnaeus. B. Bentham and Hooker. C. Julian Huxley. D. A.P. de Candolle. The answer of this question is option number C. Julian Huxley. Question number 12. Static concept of species was put forward by A. de Candolle. B. Linnaeus. C. Theophrastus. D. Darwin. The answer of this question is option number B. Linnaeus. Question number 13. It is a tricky question. Let's see this. In a taxonomic characteristics, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct in case of animal? Let's see the options. A. Kingdom, order, phylum, class, family, genus, species. B. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. C. Kingdom, class, phylum, family, order, genus, species. D. Kingdom, order, class, phylum, genus, species. Here the question is asked about ascending order, correct ascending order in case of animal. All the four options are wrong here because it is not arranged in the descending order. The option number B is the correct answer if we talk about descending order. Hence, none of these answers are correct. See the next question. Question number 14. Which one of the following belong to the family Muscidae? Options are A. Grasshopper, B. Cockroach, C. Housefly, and D. Firefly. The answer of this question is C. Housefly. Question number 15. Match column 1 and column 2 for housefly classification. Here we have to match both the columns and have to choose one of the correct options. Let's see the columns. Column 1, family, order, class, and phylum. Column number B, Diptera, Arthropoda, Muscidae, and Insecta. The options are A. B, C, and D, and the correct option of them is option number C. A. Family Muscudine. B. Order Diptera. C. Class Insecta. And D. Phylum Arthropoda. Next question 16. Which one of the following organism is scientifically correct name printed and described? A. Musca domestica, a reptile. B. Plasmodia falciparum, protozoa malaria. C. Felis tigris, Indian tiger. And D. E. coli, Entamoeba coli and gut bacteria. Here the correct option is option number B. Plasmodia falciparum is protozoan malaria. Next question, question number 17. Which one of the following animal is correctly named matched with its taxonomic category? A. Housefly musca, an order. Tiger tigris, the species. C. Cuttlefish mollusca, a class. D. Humans primata, the family. The correct option is option number B. Tiger tigris, the species. Next question. Question number 18. Species are considered as A. Real basic unit of classification. B. The lowest unit of classification. C. Artificial concept of human mind. D. Real units devised by taxonomists. The answer is option number A. The real basic unit of classification. Question number 19. Which one of the following is less general in characters compared to genus? A. Species. B. Division. C. Class. D. Family. The correct answer is option number A. Species. Next question. Question number 20. Practical purpose of taxonomy or classification is option number A. Identification of unknown species. B. Explain the origin of organism. C. Know evolutionary history. D. Identification of medicinal plant. The answer is option number A. Identification of unknown species. Question number 21. Which arrangement is in correct ascending order? A. Species, genus, order, family. B. Genus, species, family, order. C. Order, family, genus, species. D. Species, genus, family, order. The answer is option number D. Species, genus, family, and order. It is in ascending order. Question number 22. Taxon is an unit of a group of A. Order. B. Taxonomy. C. Species. D. Genus. The correct answer is B. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch of science concerned with grouping and naming of biological organism, and taxon is a unit of classification. Sorry. Yes, unit of classification. Question number 23. Gorilla, chimpanzee, monkeys and humans belong to the same A. Species. B. Genus. C. Family. And D. Order. The correct answer is D. Order. Question number 24. Sequence of taxonomic characters category is A. Class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species. B. Division, class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. C. Division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. D. Phylum, order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. The correct answer is option number C. Division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, and species. Question number 25. The question number 25. It is the last question of this video, and you all will comment the answer of this video, and we will discuss it in our next video. The term phylum was given by A. Cuvier, B. Haeckel, C. Theophrastus, D. Linnaeus. You can comment your answer in the comment box, and the correct answer will be given in the next video. Thank you for being here, and visit to our website to download resources, exam point notes at the rate blogspot.com. Thank you.